Did you know over 70% of cars on the road are secretly running below their true performance potential? Not because they are broken, but because they are deliberately restricted. Today, we are exposing illegal tricks that can make almost any car run better, fast. The same shortcuts some mechanics and tuners use when they want instant power, quicker throttle response, and a smoother running engine. These tricks can wake up a tired car in minutes, making it feel years younger almost instantly. That's exactly why most shops will never talk about them, and why you need to understand both the power and the risks before even thinking about trying them. Let's get started. Trick number 11. Remove the catalytic converter. Removing or gutting the catalytic converter is one of the most common illegal tricks in the US. Drivers instantly notice quicker throttle response, louder exhaust sound, and slightly improved acceleration. This happens because exhaust back pressure is reduced, allowing exhaust gases to exit faster. It also confuses oxygen sensors, causes rich fuel mixtures, triggers check engine lights, and can eventually damage the engine and exhaust valves. The main problem is that the catalytic converter is a federally mandated emissions device. Under the U.S. Clean Air Act, removing or tampering with catalytic converters can result in fines of up to $2,500 per vehicle for individuals and $25,000 for repair shops. Beyond fines, the repair cost is massive. Replacing a catalytic converter legally costs $900 to $2,500, and on some SUVs and trucks, it can exceed $4,000. Skilled mechanics never remove cats for performance on street cars. Instead, they restore lost power by fixing misfires that clog converters, cleaning the intake and throttle body, and correcting exhaust flow legally, which brings back smooth performance without emissions violations. Trick number 10. Spark plug gap adjustment. Most drivers replace spark plugs and assume the job is done, but mechanics know the real magic is in the gap. The spark plug gap controls how strong and consistent the spark is inside the cylinder. If the gap is too wide, the spark becomes weak and inconsistent, causing hesitation, misfires, and poor fuel economy. If the gap is too tight, combustion becomes incomplete, robbing the engine of power. To perform this trick, remove the spark plugs and check the manufacturer's recommended gap specification, usually found on a sticker under the hood or in the owner's manual. Use a feeler gauge or spark plug gapping tool to measure the gap precisely. Gently adjust it by bending the ground electrode, never the center electrode. Reinstall the plugs using proper torque. Many drivers are shocked to feel smoother idle, faster starts, and noticeably stronger acceleration after correcting something so small.
Trick number 9. Unplugging the MAF or oxygen sensor to force limp mode. Unplugging sensors like the MAF or oxygen sensor is a trick drivers use when the car hesitates, knocks, or idles rough. The engine often feels smoother immediately because the ECU switches to default fuel maps instead of using faulty data. While it feels like a miracle fix, driving with disabled emissions sensors is illegal for road use in all 50 states. If caught during inspection, the car automatically fails, and in states like California, fines can range from $250 to $500 just for emissions violations. The real damage shows up later. Running in open loop mode overheats catalytic converters and accelerates carbon buildup. Mechanics regularly see $1,200 to $3,000 repair bills from melted cats caused by this trick. Trick number 8. Over-advancing ignition timing. Ignition timing controls when the spark fires relative to piston position, and small changes dramatically affect power. Advancing timing can make an engine feel more responsive because combustion happens earlier, pushing the piston harder during the power stroke. That's why race engines in tuned cars often run more aggressive timing. However, too much advance causes knocking, detonation, overheating, and long-term engine damage. In emissions-controlled vehicles, tampering with timing maps is illegal under federal emissions laws, and fines can reach $2,500 per violation. The mechanical damage is far worse. Mechanics frequently see cracked pistons, damaged rod bearings, and burned valves from aggressive timing. Repair costs range from $3,500 for top-end repairs to $7,000 for full engine rebuilds.
Trick number 7. Clean the throttle body. The throttle body controls how air enters the engine, and air is everything when it comes to power. Over time, vapors from the crankcase and fuel deposits coat the throttle plate, causing rough idle, hesitation, and delayed acceleration. To perform this trick, locate the throttle body by following the large intake hose from the air filter box. Carefully remove the hose and spray throttle body cleaner onto a microfiber cloth. Gently wipe the throttle plate and the surrounding bore by manually opening the plate to reach hidden surfaces. Never spray directly into the intake aggressively, as that can damage sensors. Once reassembled, start the engine. You may notice a high idle at first, which will quickly normalize. The result is an instant improvement: smoother idle, sharper throttle response, and even better fuel efficiency. Mechanics swear by this simple trick because it makes old cars feel surprisingly lively again without touching a single expensive component.
Trick number 6. Blocking or disabling the EGR system. Blocking or disabling the EGR valve is another illegal shortcut used to reduce hesitation and improve throttle response. Drivers feel smoother acceleration because exhaust gases are no longer diluted into the intake. The downside is that combustion temperatures spike dramatically. This accelerates carbon buildup, causes valve damage, and increases the risk of engine knock. Tampering with EGR systems violates federal emissions laws and causes instant inspection failure, often resulting in $300 to $500 fines in emissions-regulated states. To perform this trick, mechanics first inspect the EGR valve and clean it thoroughly to remove carbon buildup. If performance is still sluggish, a blanking plate can be installed to block the valve, forcing the engine to only use fresh intake air. When done correctly, drivers often notice the engine feels sharper, more responsive, and less hesitant, especially under load or at higher RPMs. Trick number 5. The fuel filter bypass. The fuel filter bypass is a trick some drivers use when a car feels sluggish, starved for power, or struggles at high RPM. By bypassing a clogged fuel filter, fuel flows freely again, and the engine often feels stronger almost immediately. What's really happening is unfiltered fuel is now flowing straight into the injectors and fuel pump. This is extremely dangerous and illegal on emissions-controlled vehicles because it compromises federally regulated fuel system integrity. If discovered during inspection or roadside enforcement, fines can range from $500 to $2,500. To bypass your fuel filter, first locate the fuel filter and ensure the engine is off and depressurized. Carefully disconnect the fuel lines and use a temporary bypass hose rated for fuel injection pressures. Start the engine briefly and observe performance changes. If acceleration and throttle response improve noticeably, it confirms the filter is restricting fuel. When done properly, it is a quick way to identify hidden fuel delivery issues and immediately restore lost performance without replacing expensive components. Trick number 4. Reset the engine's learned bad habits. Modern cars learn how you drive, and that learning can actually hurt performance over time. Short trips, heavy traffic, low-quality fuel, and gentle driving train the engine computer to reduce throttle response and pull power for safety. That's why your car feels lazy even when nothing is broken. To perform this trick, first turn the engine off and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Leave it disconnected for about 15 minutes so stored adaptive data clears completely. Reconnect the battery, then start the car and let it idle without touching the gas for several minutes. After that, drive normally for a few days so the engine relearns healthy driving behavior. Many drivers notice smoother idle, quicker throttle response, and stronger acceleration almost immediately. Trick number 3. Water vapor trick. Over time, engines develop carbon buildup in the combustion chambers, on valves, and on the intake ports. This buildup reduces compression, causes pinging or knocking, lowers throttle response, and even hurts fuel efficiency. The water vapor trick is an old-school mechanic technique that uses controlled steam to loosen and remove carbon deposits safely. To perform this trick, first warm up the engine to normal operating temperature. Then gently introduce a fine mist of water vapor into the intake manifold using a spray bottle or vacuum hose placed before the throttle body. Never pour water directly into the intake, which can cause hydrolock.
As the water vapor enters the combustion chamber, it turns to steam, expands, and helps dislodge carbon deposits. You may notice a rough idle for a few seconds, which is normal. Afterward, drive the car at highway speeds to burn off loosened debris. Mechanics love this trick because it is inexpensive, effective, and restores power without replacing expensive parts.
Trick number 2, intake cleaning. Intake cleaning is one of those tricks that feels almost illegal because of how fast it works. Drivers are shocked when throttle response improves, idle smooths out, and hesitation disappears within minutes. That instant change is why people lump intake cleaning in with shady tricks, even though it is completely legal. What's really happening is carbon, oil vapor, and sludge buildup inside the intake. This buildup disrupts airflow, confuses sensor readings, and reduces combustion efficiency, making the engine feel sluggish and unresponsive. To clean the intake manifold, start by removing the intake hose and inspecting the inside for oily residue or dirt buildup. Use a dedicated intake or throttle body cleaner and a lint-free cloth to wipe down the intake piping and throttle entrance. Many drivers notice smoother acceleration, better throttle response, and quieter engine operation immediately. Mechanics love intake cleaning because it restores lost performance without replacing a single hard part. Trick number 1, airbox secret breather. Your airbox is not just filtering air, it is also limiting it by design. Manufacturers intentionally restrict intake airflow to control noise, emissions, intake temperature stability, not purely to maximize performance. The idea behind the airbox secret breather is that by drilling a few small holes on the cold side of the airbox before the air filter, the engine can draw in air with less resistance. In theory, this reduces intake vacuum at higher throttle openings and makes the engine feel slightly more responsive. However, this design also assumes all incoming air will be filtered and smoothly directed toward the mass airflow sensor. Here is where the trouble starts. Modifying emissions-related intake components can be illegal in many US states, especially those with strict inspections like California and New York. Vehicles can fail inspection immediately, with fines typically ranging from $200 to $1,000. I've used these tricks on different clients' cars for the last 5 years, and I have seen the results with my own eyes. I've watched engines come back to life in minutes, and I've also seen what happens when the wrong shortcut is taken. See you in the next video.